Yeah, fresh.
So dito pala makakabili ng ano, ng mga sariwang isda. Fisherman's Wharf din pala to ng ano, Steveston, British Columbia. Okay.
No, don't pick her up. She doesn't want
Kala
to be
ko
picked
sa
up.
Victoria lang merong ano, merong ganito.
Sitting for so long.
Dito rin pala sa ano, wala napuntahan to. $10 per basket yun. Binibenta nila. So salmon.
Salmon, $20.
Anong cheap, no? Eh guys, yun, magandang hapon, no? Kasama natin ulit si ano, si Dog. Yan. So dito kami guys sa ano, sa Steveston, right? Steveston. Dito lang sa may ano, sa may Richmond, no? So same Fisherman's Wharf, right?
Correct.
In Victoria. So para lang tong ano guys, para lang tong Fisherman's Wharf dun sa Victoria, pero nakalocate to dito sa may Richmond, dito lang sa may part ng Vancouver. Papakita ko sa inyo guys ha. Yan, yan. Steveston, Gulf of Georgia.
Oh, it's good. Can't go this way.
Sa loud? No. Yan. Pero maano ang ano rito guys, maano ang tubig oh. Hindi maganda ang tubig. Yan oh. Tapos meron din kayo makikita mga kainan dito guys, doon sa banda doon. Ito oh, Crab King. Masarap kumain dyan ah. So here you can buy a fresh seafood, fish.
Yeah.
Oh.
Often they sell it off the fish boat, so you can go way down to the fish boat and buy salmon or crab or whatever.
Fresh.
Yeah, fresh.
So dito pala makakabili ng ano, ng mga sariwang isda. No?
I left there and she had massaged. She was a massage therapist in Australia.
Madumi yung tubig ah.
Fingers all the way up my arm and my calves. My boot and my calves. Ah, ito rin pala. Fisherman's Wharf. Ayun guys, Fisherman's Wharf din pala to ng ano, Steveston, British Columbia. Okay.
No, don't pick her up. She doesn't want
Kala
to be
ko
picked
sa
up.
Victoria lang merong ano, merong ganito.
Sitting for so long.
Dito rin pala sa ano, wala napuntahan to. So ito, live spot prawns oh. Sold out naman sila ngayon. Ayun, fresh. Okay. They're closed, right? What time they will open? Morning?
I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly. I'm sure. Some are closed, some are open. Maybe some days they're not working. They're middle of the week too. Don't forget.
Okay. Just say no to farm salmon. Empty.
Yeah. So yeah, it's just a timing.
Yeah.
I'm not
But
sure.
but normally, how much
I'm not
is
sure
the?
their schedule.
Oh, But normally, how much is the salmon?
Well, this
per
would be a little
kg?
bit cheaper than in, say, the grocery store.
Yeah,
because
yeah,
you
yeah.
don't have to pay the grocery store, right?
Yeah,
so,
correct.
So you just buy it and it's fresh and too. Probably
Yeah,
just caught
yeah.
that day or the
Yeah.
day before or
Yeah.
something.
でリッチモンドの標高はマイナス5メートルです。
So, mas mura nga guys ang ano rito. Compare sa ano. Oh, ito. Compare sa bibili ka sa Save On, Superstore, no? Mas mura nga rito. Eh, no? Ito yung mga presyo. Oh. Per pound, no? Ayan. $10 per basket yun. Binibenta nila. So, salmon. Mas mura.
Salmon $20.
Ang cheap, no?
That's actually a good price.
Yeah. Ito lang ang nakita nating open dito ah. There's photo contest ah.
So I think they sell ice cream. Do you want some ice cream?
Yeah.
You can try something if you want, but it's just a very
They have pretty good
Pag didala mo si Lilo rito, talagang mag-enjoy yun.